Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use calculators in Empower's Learning Center. Empower's calculators can turn big money questions into clear answers fast. So let me show you how to access this. Now, the first step, let's access the Learning Center. First, you're going to need to log into Empower on your mobile device and then go to the menu and click Learning Center. Step 2, find the calculators section. Scroll or search for financial calculators. You're going to see options like retirement, mortgage, and savings growth. So just go ahead and pick a calculator. You can choose one, say the retirement savings calculator, and then enter your details like age, income, and current savings. Next is to adjust the variables. You can play with the sliders for contributions rates, growth rates, or timeline to see instant projections. Step 5 is the final step, is to of course apply the results. Use the insights to fine-tune your goals in Empower's planning tool. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.